This is the Spirit Wolf SMP. It's a new SMP made by my friend. In order to join, you have to friend Spirit Wolf. And then you can join. There is a thing going on where one of Spirit's friends that has never been on the server has been stealing stuff. So if you join and you make a house and get loot, then somebody might steal it. This is Gruck's house right here. This is Spirit Wolf's house. And this over here is my house. Anyway, all you have to do is friend Spirit Wolf. Bye.